Hey everybody, we've talked about this before, but I really want to show you the power of the walk assist mode on our e-bikes. So this is Emma here.
Hey guys.
She's going to try and take this storm up the marketing department stairs here at our warehouse. So first, she's going to take the bike up it, or at least try to, without walk assist on. And we're going to show you the difference of turning walk assist on, and then she's going to try it after. Okay, so this is the first go around. She's going to do it without walk assist, and just to show you, the bike is off. So Emma, head up these stairs.
Hi.
Come on, you got this. So imagine these stairs are like a really big hill with rocks and stuff that you can't ride up, but you have to get up.
This is my workout this year.
She said this is her workout. So she's really trying to get up these stairs, and she is able to do it, but it's been about, 15, 20 seconds to get up that staircase. Okay.
Yeah!
Okay, now we're going to turn the bike into walk assist mode, and if you don't know how to do that, the bike has to be on, and you just hold down the minus button, and it's going to give you a little bit of a push forward to help you get up hills, kind of like what these stairs are replicating. So Emma, go ahead and go up the stairs now with walk assist.
Oh, this is so much nicer.
What was that, like 8 seconds?